Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional on this Sunday in the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, February the 10th. Today's February the 11th, Sunday 2024. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the jigsaw Sudoku. And it's a binary time. Yes, it's binary time. This will be number 7981. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones in the last row. So the rest are O's. And between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Yeah, between the double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Then double O here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Wow. 1, 2, 3. I need to think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 ones in the last column, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. And we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Not quite right. The last puzzle in this additional, because in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. It will take me more than an hour. Alright, thank you again. See you in a minute. Bye bye for now.